Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinator back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Change Your Mind by Sarcastic Sounds Claire Rosinkranz and Kane. It's a really good song. It reminds me of Deathbed by Powerful and Biaba Doobie. Anyways, we're going to be playing this in C, okay? So you have your cap on fret number 4. Originally it's composed in E major, which is there, but then I'm going to teach you guys the simple version or the easier way to play the song, which is in C, okay? So we have C major to E minor to F and then C again and then G, okay? And we're gonna change your mind, na 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 na, let it go. Okay, again we have C to E minor, F, C, and then G. And my strumming pattern is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up, down. Okay, so down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up, down. And I'm strumming this with my thumb to make it sound a little more sad. Now we're gonna let you go. Na, 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 na. Okay, so the trick is when you're strumming down, you're strumming the top strings. When you're strumming up, you're strumming the these are actually the top strings, the high ones. Okay, so when you're strumming up, you're strumming the top string and the top strings, and then when you're strumming down, you're strumming the bottom strings. That's pretty much it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Check out my chord video if you're not familiar with the chords that we used in this video, so you can learn them there. Come back here for your progressions. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and leave a like and share the video if it helped you. I will see you guys in the next video.